What is good, YouTube? It's your boy BigJSeanDon back in another video, and today I got another vlog for you boys. Cheese! But yeah, man, today I want to show you guys pretty much what I take on a daily basis, like my daily stack of supplements, from vitamins to like basically everything that I take. And yeah, I'm also going to talk about like what I take, like pre-workout or caffeine, anything like that, and BCAAs and all that type of stuff in this video for you guys. So yeah, man, hopefully you guys get something like a little insight of like pretty much just show you guys what I take to get the physique that I have right now. But yeah, man, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, you guys, so pretty much from like my stack, this is pretty much what I take on a daily basis. From vitamins, vitamin wise, pretty much just these 5 things right here, but I will be adding a supplement or 2 on top of this after I show you guys my current stack. So this is my current stack right now. Pretty much when I wake up every day, I take the 1 a day vitamin gummies. You could buy these at Walmart, Target, and all that stuff. You just take 2 of these every day in the morning. So yeah, that's the first one. Then for the second supplement I will talk about is going to be these right here: the calcium, magnesium, zinc, and vitamin D3. This is from my protein. So this right here, currently they don't sell it in the website. I don't know why, it's out of stock, but I bought this probably maybe like 2 or 3 months ago, back in the winter. But yeah, man, I think it was like back in like December. So yeah, man, a couple months back. And yeah, take that. Take about, I take 2 of these every day. So 1 after my first meal, and then 1 before I go to bed after my second meal. Then I also have omega-3s, pretty much fatty acids. But yeah, again, from my protein. Let me show you guys the info on these right here, so you guys can see. Basically 300 milligrams of omegas per capsule. So I take like 3 of these per day, so about like 900 milligrams of omegas. And here's the other information for the calcium, magnesium, zinc capsules. Again, my protein, if you are watching this, please restock on these. These are, I don't know why they removed them, but I don't know, but bring them back. Alright, so that's it for the my protein part. Now this, you can buy this from for these 2, you can buy these in my vitamin shop, or the vitamin shop basically, if you guys have one. But the first one I'm going to be talking about is from Body Tech. It's just glutamine, basically recover muscles faster and all that stuff. So you just take these once a day. I got the 300 milligram, 300 capsules right there, so that, you know, it could last me for about a year. And then you basically just take these 1 a day after a meal. And yeah, so here's the information right here. Glutamine, 500 milligrams per capsule. And yeah, then we also have turmeric from Vitamin Shop, and this also has curcumin. So it has 900 milligrams of turmeric. So turmeric is really good for you. It's pretty much like if you have any strains or anything like that in your body, like towards your muscles, it heals it. Yeah, so if you have anything, like basically just like, it basically helps with like inflammation. So that's the good thing about turmeric. I don't drink tea or any. A lot of tea has some turmeric in it, but your boy doesn't drink tea. So yeah, this is 900 milligrams of turmeric. Really good for you. Once a day, after a meal. So yeah, and the good thing about this is like a vegetable capsule, so for all you vegetarians. But yeah, man, right there, info is right there. But yeah, that's a daily stack of 5 for right now. Okay, so for BCAAs, I basically take BCAAs. Right now, I currently take them from my protein as well, but I transferred, like, they all came in pouches, but like a big ass like bag, but I had to go put it in my Ghost container for my empty containers. So yeah, this says pre-workout, but it's not pre-workout. Inside there is, here, I'll open it up for you. It's pretty much BCAAs inside. So yeah, amino acids inside right there. You got the Ghost scooper, and then that's the scooper that comes from my protein. But yeah, man, pretty much just put it in here for easy access, because it's more easier than grabbing a scoop from like the pouch and getting your hands like all dusty from like the supplement. And yeah, this flavor right here, this is the watermelon flavor. Yeah, but you guys can't really tell what it is, but yeah, man, BCAAs right here. And then with the fact that we're talking about Ghost, my pre-workout that I'm taking right now, I'm currently taking Ghost. I've been taking Ghost for like a good majority of the times that I've been training, for like the years, maybe like almost 2 years now, 2.5. So yeah, yeah, like almost 2 years of training, but been on Ghost, really good product. Yeah, it's like about like $40 per bottle, and you get about 30 servings. But I noticed about the new ones, they currently changed their serving size in the container of tubs. It will say 25. I don't have the new Ghost supplement on me right now. The container, it's in my car. I usually leave it in my car. But yeah, it will say 25. They basically just made the scooper a little bit smaller. That's why they put 25. So you would have to like use like 2 scoops. But there's still like about like 30, like about like 30 servings per container in the new Ghost containers. All right, y'all. So now we're gonna be talking about fat burners. So this one in particular is from EHP Labs. This is the Oxy Shred Fat Burner. This is the mango flavor. I had, yeah, so like I used to take this one right here, the Cosmic Blast. This is really good, but they're sold out from their website. I had 2 of these. Gave one to my girlfriend, but yeah, killed this one. Now I'm on the mango one. Overall, it's pretty good. I always, whenever like I buy Oxy Shred, I always have to like buy the bundle so I can get this with it. This is basically L-carnitine. It's basically helps promote fat burning to its fullest. So yeah, both of these, stack it up, one to 2 scoops, but I usually just take one scoop of this and then a scoop of this, mix it up in a water bottle, maybe like 6 to 8 ounces of water. And yeah, it's pretty good if you want, especially like if you want to work out in the morning, just do morning cardio, fasted cardio, that'll help. But I do this like just a little bit of a natural caffeine to get myself running for the day in the morning whenever I have work and all that stuff. It really helps. It's not that much crazy with the caffeine in it. So yeah, if you guys are interested in the supplement facts right there, you guys probably won't be able to see it, but it only has 5 calories in it, and yeah, it's pretty good. And here's the supplement facts for these right here. But yeah, QR code, EHP Labs, if you guys want to scan it right there. But yeah, EHP Labs Fat Burners, I highly recommend it. You won't see results right away. It'll take a minute for it to kick in, but you'll feel it like the effect of it, you know, on an empty stomach, like, of course, but you just won't see results. Maybe it'll take maybe like to kill the whole container and to be consistent with it until you start seeing results. And you also got to put in the work too. So yeah, you can't just rely on supplements like these, or especially fat burn, if you just want to burn fat and then not move. But yeah, you would have to move or like do something So yeah, these are just helpful for the journey of getting fit. Alright, you guys, so the next thing we're going to talk about is BCAAs. Right now, currently, I'm taking my BCAAs from my protein. Once again, it was that amino acid that I showed you, the watermelon flavor, but I didn't re-up on that, so once I killed that container, I have these from Primitive Labs. Pretty much the same amino acid formula stuff, but this one is the cherry lemonade flavor. 30 servings. Haven't opened these yet, but facts are over there. And have another one from, this one is the mango pineapple flavor, but yeah, as you guys can see right here, basically take these during intro workout, mix this with the creatine. That's what I usually do, but yeah, that's the stack. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the amino acids part. Now for pre-workout, as I said, I've been taking Ghost, but I also have these right here from like Bucked Up, these samples right here. So pretty much one of these, you know, just in case. But I got this one, woke as fuck, in, I think this is blueberry or some shit like that. Blue raspberry right there. Focus. But yeah, blue ras right there. I also have this one, Woke AF in the black, and the BAMF. But yeah, I'm guessing this one is like the next highest dose, second, or basically last place, first place, second place of highness of dose. I had 4 of these. The first one was like the lowest amount of caffeine levels, so I drank that first. But yeah, I have these for emergency, nothing too crazy. But yeah, you guys, as I said, I stack amino acids together with creatine, monohydrate. This is from my protein. This is my old bag, 2.2 pounds, and unflavored from my protein. Basically, take 1 scoop of these a day, aka 5 grams per day. So yeah, you just take that. Basically, creatine helps you like sustain muscle size. Basically just fills it up with water, so at first you'll feel kind of bloated in the first week of loading it, but then once your body gets adjusted, after a couple of weeks, you'll go back to normal, especially if you're doing cardio. So yeah, it just makes you look fuller, and I highly suggest taking creatine just to try it out. But yeah, all right, y'all, now for protein. I was heavy in the Ghost protein, but recently I've been using my protein, like their protein, and I re-upped on the chocolate brownie flavor, impact whey protein, 2.2 pounds, basically about like 40 servings in the bag. The thing about my protein, it's really cheap and effective, and it gets the job done. That's why like I've been buying from them recently for like vitamins and creatine and all that stuff. But yeah, I noticed that like it's pretty much effective, but here and there I would go back to Ghost, you know, like whenever the time is right, you know what I mean. But yeah, man, I switch off from Ghost and my protein so yeah, that's so weird because, you know, that's their name. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. And here's the facts in the back. About 40 servings per container, and it's pretty low in calories too. I think it's 100 calories per scoop, so 2 scoops, that's 200 calories, and you get about 18 grams of protein per scoop. But yeah, the thing about Ghost, like, it's usually about like 24 or 25 grams of protein, but yeah, like this still is cheap and effective. It gets the job done. But yeah, like I said, I switch off from Ghost and this in between, so whenever I feel like it. Speaking of my protein, so here's the new stuff that I ordered. So I re-upped on the chocolate brownie, re-upped on creatine, bought some more omega-3s, so yeah. And I also bought some L-carnitine, basically fat burning supplement. that it's basically the same thing as the powder form that I showed you guys, but this is pill form, and you could take 1 to 2 tablets per day on these. It's not focusing, but yeah, here you go right here. And yeah, supplement facts in the back, about 500 milligrams each, and I also have a spare Centrum multi gummies, basically like the 1 a day. You just take 2 of these. But yeah, so yeah guys, that's pretty much what I take to maintain the physique that I have right now and get the job done. So yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys down below in the comments, what you guys think. And yeah, man, best way to reach me, Instagram, Snapchat at BigJSeanDon, same as my YouTube channel. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think, and if you guys enjoyed and want to see more videos like this, leave a comment down below. But yeah, I'm gonna end off this video right here. Thank you guys for clocking in and vibing with me. I'll catch you guys on the next one.